It's insane. Oh, what time was it? Guys, I didn't know what time I finished at. 6:47. I started at what time? Guys, I'm done basically with this. I am still gonna work on this, but I'm gonna eat it with my hands now, and I don't want to really record that since some people are gonna be like, what the heck. But thank you for watching this video. Look at this, we're good now. This is perfect. Time is 6:50 and I finished eating and cooking. So thank you. On a little trash can, but there's an alarm over there. I'm out of here. Thank you guys.